Hello traders, the title of this video is First Step Trading with the TSTW 24 trading system. What we have noticed is that sometimes when traders purchase the TSTW 24 trading system, they go straight away, okay, taking signals. They will say, okay, this is a triple green, this is a double green, this is a single green, this is a single red, this is a double red, this is a triple red, and they will just start placing trade. Okay, they say, okay, they look at the document, okay, of the TSTW 24. They learn what is they learn what is a single red signal or what is a double green signal, and they say, all right, this is a double green, this is a single red, and they start placing trade. And of course, they get into trouble because that's not that's not what we are trying to do. All right, they get into trouble very fast. All right. Now, when a trader purchases the TSTW 24. We give to a trader a username and a password to go to www.best-trading-strategy.com. This is the website for the TSTW24 traders. Videos here are confidential. All right, I have changed the logo a little bit. Traders that are following us will notice that the logo has changed a bit. Okay, so this is the website that you need to come to. If you purchase the TSTW24 and you just concentrate on a document and you don't come here, I can say to you that you have lost already 50% of your money and 50% of your time, because you're going to get into trouble. Because what we have noticed, traders, every trader has a bad habit, all right? And but when they purchase a system, they say, I don't want to get rid of my bad habits. I want to keep my bad habits and keep, okay, doing the old, trading like the old way before, and I want to carry on like that. But we don't want traders to do that. We don't want traders to purchase the system and right away go and trade it. They can, but that's not the best way. Why? Because when you purchase a system, all right, you want to familiarize yourself with the system. You want to understand the system and just follow it like a child. You know how you teach a child. Just switch off completely. Even if you're an experienced trader, whichever level you are, just switch off for a while. Follow, okay, the thing. And sometimes we see some trader will start on the wrong foot, so to speak, and then later on they will get back in line, and you will see that. They start enjoying the system, but sometimes some traders never get it right. You see the red line here? This is what we call trading idea part 1. So the week that has closed now, on the week that has started on the 29th of August 2013, you see right here, 29, which has ended here. So the week that has closed now, because today, all right, it's the 4th of August. The 4th of, I hope you can see on your screen, the 4th of August 2013, and the time in London is 12:44, in New York 7:44 now. And so this line here, if a trader is applying the trading idea part 1, this is for the pound dollar. I will going to show you also for stocks. So he will draw it. He will say priority to bullish signal above this red line and priority to bearish signal below this red line. Okay. So because the price, you can see on the 29 right here, the price was coming slowly. You can see it came and touch it here. Some traders decided to buy, but you want to use the TSTW 24 to make better decision. So when we have a key level like this, the best strategy is that the price break above it, retest it, and find a support and continue to move to the upside in a rising channel. That's how it goes all the time. We want to sell in a declining channel. So here it went a bit horizontal, as we can expect that on Monday. So always Monday is a tricky, choppy market. All right, very important. So, but as the week was going on, you can see that just joining this point and this point, this point and this point, I know that below the red line is bearish. Here, I will look for opportunity to sell because the price was retesting the bearish trailer here. If I miss this one, there was another one here. You can see on Monday, Tuesday, see it did below it. Try to retest the red line here. Can you see on your chart? Try to retest it here, but it fell. It fell and come back down. But it's a tricky this one. You have to handle this carefully because this is the beginning of the move to the downside. But you do not stop. Now I'm on the hourly chart. You do not stop on one time frame. Okay, then you're going to make a mistake. You want to be curious. Okay, check the daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart. That's how we discuss all this. We have discussed them here. So, talking about first step trading with the TSTW 24, when you receive it, do not just go and start taking signals. It's wrong. It's wrong. What I would recommend to traders, if you forget everything else, you must watch Trading Idea Part 1, Trading Idea Part 2, Trading Idea Part 3, Trading Idea Part 4. It's just one video per page here. Videos length is like 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Trading Idea Part 1. So in 15 minutes you may watch that. Another day, even if you are too busy, another day maybe you watch Trading Idea Part 2, Trading Idea Part 3, Part 4, Trading Idea Power. Especially if you are a swing trader. But the specialty of the TSTW 24 is for day trading. Repeat, for day trading. Specialty. Though it can be used for swing trading, the specialty is for day trading. TSTW 08 is for swing trading. The specialty of the TSTW 08 is swing trading, though it can also be used for day trading. Now, Trading Idea Power, okay, and Trading Idea Pivot. Now, this Trading Idea Pivot, please, if you are a day trader, watch it. All right. Now, so if a trader purchased TSTW 24, and we have noticed that the trader did not bother to watch these videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos here, we worry for the traders. In fact, it sent a bad signal to us that these traders is just going to go like he was doing before, he or she was doing before. So do not do it. Do not, just stay calm, all right? Because some traders, sometimes we see it, they watch a lot of our video, they understand what we are trying to do, they are excited, they want to do it, but then they purchase the system and they become a different trader, we don't know, and they don't follow the steps. Okay, so very important. One, Trading Idea Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Trading Idea Power, Trading Idea Pivot. If you know this Trading Idea Pivot, you will make better decisions. Just stick to one that you understand and use it all the time. Going back again to the chart, you can see that I know that Trading Idea Part 1, this red line here. So here I can make decision from the hourly chart. I don't enter the trade on the hourly chart. After validating my setup on the hourly chart, going to the higher time frame, I will now go to the lower time frame to make decisions. There are various ways trader can enter a trade. What we have done with the TSTW 24, we say to trader to go to the first best time frame. But there are million ways trader can enter a trade. But we want to follow the rules of the TSTW 24. There are reasons for it. Alright? I'll talk about it more in another video when I explain to traders, okay, TSTW 24 explain. Alright, so here again you can see he break above it a bit. Now finally you see he break above the bearish trend line, but trader took it fast on the hourly chart. If you want like this here, you break above it, you can switch. If you switch to the 15-minute chart, go instead to 10-minute chart, you can see that this on the 10-minute chart, okay, the blue trend line, see, it come above it slowly. You have to check the clock here. This is 8:30 economy news. This is economy news, okay? 8:30 this for us. 8:30 you want to know major economy news are due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's 1:30 p.m. London time. This is economy news. Boom, boom, boom. You see? So this was happening when the news was about to be due. Price break above the trend line was going slowly, and then the news was released, was bullish. Boom, boom, boom. You see? All right. It's a pound dollar. Trading Idea Part 1 is here. So a trader who just mastered this can make better decisions. So you think that this is just by chance? Okay, I'll show you another one. Don't want a video to be too long. Euro USD. Again, I'll stay on the hourly chart. And again, you know this is this red line here. This is applying the Trading Idea Part 1. So we know that. Okay, I'll go to the hourly chart instead, the hourly chart, because now I'm on the 50-minute chart. This is Euro USD on the hourly chart, okay? So this is the beginning of the week. You see 20 here, right here. Follow me here. 29. Okay, 29 of August was Monday 29. Okay, so price was hanging up here. You see. So first thing you will do, market open, draw your key levels on the time frame that you are not. So put your hourly chart. So you do say, okay, this is a resistance. Okay. All right. So the market open here. Okay. Here you see. So you know that the price was stopping here. You draw it. So if you want to buy it, you don't want to buy below this blue line on Monday. So you will say, okay, at least let it go above it. Then you switch to a lower time frame and take it from there. But as long as it remains below the blue line, you will be careful. But this line here, the red line, is telling you that price is a bullish signal above. But if you want to buy above in a bullish zone, you don't buy anyhow. So you start drawing trend line channels. I'm going to do something here. You see this point? I'm going to join it to this one here. Show you. What I've done, I joined this point where my cursor is to this one here. So on Monday, as soon as we see it was trying to retest the red one here, but it just went back up to retest the resistance level. As you can see, some traders saw this is not bad because they are in a bullish zone, but the price hit a resistance level and the price come down again. So you see this point, and this point after this level, the price has completed this move. We can draw this blue line here. So you see here, it was trying to retest it here, but you want to check the time of the day. What time is it? Is it 1:30? Is it any economy news due? Watch it. Is the market another market is about to be open? Pay attention to the gap period. These things we have discussed everything here. That's why I say to traders that are purchasing the TSTW 24. If you purchase the TSTW 24 and you do not come here and know exactly what's happening, you have lost already 50% of your time. Okay, so here you can finally retest it. This is gorgeous one. So the price was retesting a blue line and also retesting, okay, the key levels. You see this is a trading idea part 1 blue line here. You want to check the clock, the time of the day, what the economy news, and analyze the market environment. Is the market environment suitable? Is the market environment too risky? And also check the risk-reward ratio of the trade that you are about to enter. If you don't like it, you don't have to take it. Some traders take every signal. They trade like a robot. They buy a trading system, but they are trading the trading system like a robot. This is a triple grain, I must take it. You don't have to take it. Every trade, every signal. All right? Very important, okay? So here you work perfectly. Here again, you look. After you went above this one, trying to find a support, talking about this key level here, and look back again here. You see? Now we stop again at this resistance here. So the market will open tonight. This is about the forex market. Will open Sunday night. So here against this. So you don't want to buy it like this. You would prefer it to come near the red line or the blue line here if you want to buy it, though it's in the bullish zone, or you prefer it to go above here to find a support. All right, so this is about first step trading with the TSTW 24. All right, so you want to read the email that we send you. Read everything. Don't do like the way I was doing before. Okay, read the whole email. Step back. I see sometimes traders are so impatient. I want my TSTW 24 now. We slow traders down. There's no point to rush. The market is not running away, and you don't need to worry. I understand some traders are new. They are very excited about it. But please, just stay patient, stay calm, and just take it step by step. You know, when you are in a mess, you don't want to panic, okay? If your house is in a mess, you have too many things all over the place in your room, you just go step by step, one item at a time. You don't just go and try to pack everything in one go, all right? But we see all the time, sometimes traders try to pack everything in one bag, all right? Steadily, please, all right? Because we don't want to attract, okay, a wrong type of traders, and we are communicating to traders so they understand what we are trying to do, and if they like it, they come to us, okay? So we are all in one tune, and we understand each other. Very important. I will show you another example talking about just the trading idea part 1. You can see we have, I didn't talk about trading idea part 2, I didn't talk about trading idea part 3, part 4, trading idea power, trading idea pivot. These are very, very important. If you ever purchase the TSTW 24 and you violate this, you know that you're not going to make it, all right? So So I will show you now. I finished with the currency. I will show you stocks. Okay, so trader may say I trade only stocks. Okay, I'll show you Caterpillar. Also, here it is. Okay, again on the hourly charts, the week has started on the 29th of August. Okay, so where is it? I'll show you now. So this is 29. I hope you can see on the chart. 29. Okay, has started on Monday. You see. So the red line is telling us that price below this level, priority to bearish signal, above it, priority to bullish signal. But we want to sell in a declining channel. So as the market opens, on Monday we were here, so we just thought, okay, there's a support here. Okay, you see, it was consolidating, and then before the market opened on Monday, so there's a support there. So what I would say to myself, okay, it's in a bearish zone, but if I want to sell it, it must break below this blue horizontal line, retest it, and turn around. Or it must start displaying lower lows, lower high, below this horizontal blue line. So I'm happy with that. But I will say to myself also that though it's in a bearish zone, if it starts displaying higher lows, high, I will buy instead. What the price has done here, to cut long story short, the price went very fast up. So this is just a normal progression in the market, fast move, and then it went slow. You know you have to be careful. When you see that fast move, slow move, watch it. Usually the price will continue the previous trend, but unless it returns back below it completely. So we know it now. The fast move is going slow the other weeks. So it was a choppy market. You see, this is where a lot of day traders get into trouble. So sometimes traders especially if you are a new trader, you don't know what is a consolidation market, and a lot of day traders get into trouble when they see that is okay. They apply wrong strategy for wrong markets. Okay, so be very, very understand. See, it was just oscillating, whipsaw, try to get into big time problem. And finally, so this is a fast move, slow move. We will expect a continuation. But then finally, you see, this is the continuation. Okay, it's just a language: fast, slow, fast. All right, fast, slow, fast. All right. So here we can see that it was not easy. But if I remove some lines here, so you see now we will say priority to sell signal below the red line. So. But you see this support, it's down, it starts going up, so we don't fight it, okay? So if you want to sell it, we prefer to come here. You see here, it came near the red line. You see some traders challenge it here. So I'm now on the hourly chart. If I want to enter, I'll go to, okay, a lower time frame, okay, and take it. It was not easy because the price is not going fast, okay? It's just slowing down. So, but from here, it rolled it down a bit. It came again here, some traders challenge it here. It's come down again, okay? And even here, it went down before, it went down to this level before it went back up, okay? But if you are, for instance, you check the higher time frame, because this is just a quick, just on the hourly chart, some setup on the hourly chart, you will just check the daily chart, weekly chart, to validate your setup. Very, very important. Without a valid setup, okay, traders are in trouble. You see a zigzag pattern, you see a Fibonacci pattern, you see a stochastic pattern, you see any chart pattern, you see any setup, you must validate the setup. Then you wait for the signal and select a low risk entry point. I explained this to traders in other video already. So here, now we are now above it. So the week has closed now. So see that it was a choppy week, fast move, and then slow the whole week, and then end of the week it went up again above the rest. So now it's sitting on it, okay. All right. So Monday we will be watching it. And because it's above this line, but on Monday we will have another line talking about trading idea part 1 for the week that is about to begin. We will have another line, okay, you understand? So we will watch, okay, this line also, do not forget it, price sitting around it now, and we'll see what's going to happen, okay? I will show you another financial instrument. You may think that this one was easy. I'll bring on our Apple stock, and we'll see again. For Apple stock, the red line is here, so priority to bearish signal below, priority to bullish signal above. So the week has started on the 29. Here it is, 29. You see a tall candle here again. Similar to Caterpillar, you see, a tall candle. Try to understand that fast move. If you see fast move like this, and then it's slowing down, at least 1, 2, 3, 4 candle at least. Fast move, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, and then we will just highlight the slow down section. All right. Okay. You see, slow it down in this section. Just highlight it. Okay. The price was in horizontal channel on the hourly chart. If you want to play the consolidation, you go to the lower time frame. Okay. Okay. All right. So fast move and then slow down, and then again here it went up. Come back to retest it. So on Monday, we see that this Monday was here. We know that there is a kind of a resistance here. You see the price on this hourly chart. We just draw it. So the price in the bullish zone, we say, okay, if it's in the bullish zone, we want to buy. We want to buy above the horizontal blue line. All right. If it exactly went above it, so you want to be watching it. So you can also join this point and this point to draw this trend line here. This point and this point. So here he was trying to come near it, but he couldn't, and straight they push it up. He came here, had to check the time. This is the 31st. Okay, the market did open, and the first hours, you see, start rolling to retest it, but not much going on. Do not trade any stock without checking, okay, the fundamental of that stock and the news relating to that stock. Do not use technical alone when you are trading any stock. You'll be surprised. Sometimes some news traders do not pay attention to it, and they are using their technical and studying the price doing something else. But follow the price and keep your eyes open. Some traders ask me, okay, do we use indicators? Yes, all TST trading system use indicators. Okay, so now I have this trend line here on my chart. The price is above, okay, I'll color in pink now. Okay, you see, so watch it on Monday. Watch this level carefully, okay? Watch this session here. It may come and retest it. So if you're still in a bullish zone, you have to apply trading idea part 1 for the new week that is about to begin. So we'll have another red line somewhere in this region, okay? And but remember, do not forget what has happened already and pay attention to this level. If you are very, very bullish, so Monday you will draw also a horizontal line like this. So you see on Monday, so okay, Monday the 5th of August, you draw a horizontal line. So there was a kind of resistance here. It's above it now, but do not forget this level. So and then you take it step by step. All right. So this is the first step, trading with the TSTW24. Very important point for traders. Do not forget, you buy TSTW24. Unless you don't want to trade it, and that's okay. Okay, trader can do whatever they want to do. We have discussed other things in the email that I sent to traders. Follow that first, but do not go and place any trade without checking this video that I've shown you here. Do not go and just take a signal and say single red, double red, triple red, single green, double green, triple green. Don't do that. Do not do that. That's all way people trade. When traders go on one time frame and just taking signals, that doesn't work. All right. The setup, the signal, and the entry point. One must validate the setup. Pay attention to economy news. That's how professional trading. But if you want to carry on with the old habit, well, that's your choice. But I don't recommend that to traders. Okay. I hope you have learned something from this video about first step trading with the TSTW24, okay, and we put it to use to make excellent trading decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders. To purchase the TSTW24, trader must go to the web store, click on the web store page at www.stochasticmarkd.com. The triple green, the double green, single red, triple red, you will not see any flashing red or green light on your chart. This is a trading system. These are the name given to the signal. Thank you.